Today we're going to check out Divo knives, the Growler V3. Let's get to it. Hello. Today we're going to be looking at the Divo knives Growler V3. I picked this up from White Mountain Knives, and it's a White Mountain Knives exclusive. So let's check this bad boy out. This one came with one of the coveted bigger Divo knives. I really liked this size for light knife cleaning, and it also comes with a really nice little small one as well. But I'm definitely liking the bigger one. But that's not why we're here. We're here for this. So this is a Growler V3, an S90. Really kind of dig this. I got bigger hands, and this knife feels right at home. I'm kind of leaning into the purple vibe myself, and I really kind of dig this knife. It's got the CamoCarbon scales, and really good jimping across the top, and it's a front flipper, so really like the deployment styles on it. Just really good feeling in the hand. Choke up a little bit and really get to the edge, get down on this blade. Let's get the little stop there, keep it from rubbing. Overall length on this knife is 7.5 inches. Blade length is sitting at 3.3 inches with a handle length of 4.2 inches. Really light. This knife comes in at 3.1 ounces, and it has a milled titanium reversible pocket clip. So you can put it on this side as well, or on this side. If you follow Lefty, you know he's going to have that option. This one is OEM by Kubi, and I think they did an excellent job. I like the lanyard hole through the back spacer, just the purple accents, and then the purple CamoCarbon is just great. I like it. Big belly knife. It's really nice satin finish. Like I said, the two deployment methods are the blade hole and the front flipper. And let's show you this bad boy next to some other knives so you can get a good size comparison. Here it is next to a pair of two. You can see it's a lot smaller but thicker. We'll do a Dimco 80-20.5. Getting closer. Still a little bit shorter. Throw it up against a Benchmade Bug Out, and it's almost the exact same as the Benchmade. And last but not least, we'll throw it up against the Kaiser Drop Air Zero, and it's really close at that. So, giving you the size comparisons there. Let me know what you guys think about this one. This is the V3. I was a little late jumping on the Divo train. Didn't know a whole lot about them until recently, so getting into them, and I really like their knife designs. I think Lefty has an awesome channel, and I really like his use of color, and I really like in Divo how they're leaning into that. So if you like this video, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Again, this is the Divo Growler V3 Divo knives.